Hello guys, we are back. Unfortunately, we took that loss today on oil. As you can see, after hours it did break down all the way and did break, so we got out around here. Maybe I should have gotten out here, but we did stick to the plan. Unfortunately, it did break this, so um, it did close. Let's see, it did close basically at there, but not interested in it anymore. We lost, took the loss today, 170. I think we took the loss. It is what it is. Gold is what I like now, guys. Right at the strategy, we have 1, 2, 3 clear touches right here. So we're gonna look with 1 gold. Yeah, MGC. There we go.
Order filled.
I am willing to take only 1, and because the risk here is higher. So as you can see here, it's around 232, which is pretty high. So we're gonna. I'll leave that for there now. Hopefully you can come back and kind of do something like this, and we can get a new low here, so I can make a new safety line. But for now, that's our safety. So it is definitely a big. I don't think it'll come that all the way down, but it is a bigger risk. So I'm only gonna take 1. And that is all, guys. That's all. I don't have anything else for you guys. Nasdaq broke today. Once that opened, this was your safety. I mean, it did come back down, but then it went back up, and we would have made money. But unfortunately, we were stuck with. Yeah, look at that. 1, 2, 3, boom. Your safety would have been right there. It touched, boom, went back up, right there. It would have worked fine, right on Nasdaq. Unfortunately, we chose the wrong one. We chose oil, and it didn't work out. But now we're in gold, guys. This is an hourly candle above after break. So I'm in it. Only 1 contract. Maybe I'll have it overnight. I like it. And we'll go from there, guys. We'll see you soon. Good morning, guys. We are back. Okay. So we're red so far around $61. We were up. We just chopped here. I did move my stop loss back down to this level. And the only reason why I did that is because we have 830 metrics coming out soon. Let me just double check. Yeah. So we have this coming out right now. Oh, I can't do it. You guys see what I mean. So this will affect the market. So when that happens, I don't want see how this candle went? It's just a candle, and then it stops us out, and then it goes up. So that's why I'm even gonna take a little more risk here, guys. Leave this here. So hopefully, if this breaks and let's say comes back, wicks, and then closes above this line, then we're fine. Just a wick. But you gotta be careful with the 830 metrics. We're down around $60 right now, so not a big deal. But again, just wanted to do. That's what I'm doing. That's the plan. Below this safety line right here. Obviously, if it comes down and hits us, there's not much we can do. I'm not gonna take more than that of a loss on this trade. Hopefully, if it does wick, comes back and pushes up, and really, we keep pushing up. We're still in a strategy. You have 1, 2, 3 touches. We broke out. It's still in here. I mean, it's still within what we should be. If anything, that kind of makes me want to add another one here, but I won't just because of the metrics. But that's it, guys. I will see you around 8:30, see what happens, and we'll go from there. All right, guys. So we are back. 8:30 is about to happen in a minute or so. See if it affects us. We are down around $100, which isn't terrible, like I did say before. I'm gonna keep the stop loss at 200, and hopefully we can go ahead and push up. This is a nice support here, so hopefully CPI pushes up. I do have all 3 of my accounts. Obviously, you can only see this one, but I have my bigger accounts, which have a lot bigger positions. But everything is okay. If it comes back and hits us, it is what it is. Just wasn't meant to be. We're still in the strategy, so what's going on with Nasdaq before? All right, so not much right here. Yeah, that I would like to pay longs up above that, but yeah. And then with gold, yeah. Gold playing this, but it's not. Yeah. Gold's tricky right now. I won't really touch it. But we're back to oil, guys. Like I said, this is what we're doing. So we're gonna keep see what happens here. Hopefully, we can get a nice push up here at 30. Usually the Nasdaq also gets pushed up a quite amount. So let's see what happens here, if anything, or if it comes back and you just get, you get pushed down. Let's see if CPI does anything at all. Sometimes it does. Usually it tends to affect the Nasdaq a little more, which it can happen. See, so I mean we got nothing there basically, but let's look at the Nasdaq. Yeah, look at that. Look at the Nasdaq. See, so CPI, it really controls it on the Nasdaq a ton. Look at that jump from 639 to 750. The news on that, that's crazy. Yeah, that's crazy. But look, it's still respecting that, So I wouldn't go long here because this is news driven. So I would just stay here and wait for it. But look at that, just completely respect it. Let's see if it breaks that. That'd be great. Only down $80. I mean, not a little push up on oil. Nothing really. That was crazy. Did it do anything to gold? Yeah, gold's pushing now. Yeah, this is a very strong support right here. So I'd be very, very surprised if it broke. Longs here look very good. I would want to see, you have 2 touches here. If it touches one more time, I would want to play the break after that. But that's about it. Yeah, look at that. That's what news does, guys. As you can see, it's pushing now. But we are still in oil. The position's still here. I'm going to keep this, guys, for now because I still like it. See it for the rest of the day. Because this might have been the bottom and we might go up from here. So I'm going to see what happens. I do like it here. I'm going to wait. It has another half hour until this candle closes. So we'll see what happens. We are still, I mean, if you're still looking at this, we're still in the strategy. We're not playing like feelings. Like we have 1, you have 2, you have 3. We broke here. We took our positions a little higher, but it's still within the position of this being, broken. So we're gonna keep it, guys. Hopefully throughout the day, hope we can close. Yesterday we kept it. It was all just, it did nothing and basically moved, and then we closed for like basically break even. So we'll see what happens today. Hopefully we can get a push up. If we start falling down, obviously I might take the loss and we'll call it a day there. But for now we're down $91, which is not bad. We'll keep at this and we'll come back later on. Most likely we'll be on my phone, and we'll go from there, guys. All right, we'll see you again. Alright guys, so as you can see here, it's almost 4 o'clock. This is where it stopped out. We took the risk, but unfortunately it did not go in our favor. So there's not much you can do here. Losing is part of trading, and we'll see what happens. Alright guys, you can see here after 4 o'clock we took the loss, up top or left, 180, but we'll call it a day here, guys.